Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing AFK Arena again. In this video we're gonna be doing some more hero summoning. We collected a few diamonds for ourselves and we got a few of these gems that we can convert into hero summons, so let's get to it. Okay, let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something good. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's see what this big pack is gonna give us. Alright, not the best pull, but I mean, it's fine, I guess. It could be better, much better, but it's fine.
I weave a web of death. Life is short. Death is forever.
You dare stand against me?
So that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, comment, favorite, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you later. See ya!